Benefits of eating fruits on right time for weight loss and other health benefits. We all think eating fruits means just buying fruits, cutting it and just popping it into our mouths. In fact, eating fruit is linked to a lower body weight and a lower risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, and heart disease. What is the correct way of eating fruits? It means not eating fruits after your meals. Fruits should be eaten on an empty stomach. If you eat fruits on empty stomach, it will play a major role to detoxify your system, supplying you with a great deal of energy for weight loss and other life activities. Fruit is the most important food. Let's say you eat 2 slices of bread and then a slice of fruit. The slice of fruit is ready to go straight through the stomach into the intestines, but it is prevented from doing so due to the bread taken before the fruit. In the meantime, the whole meal of bread and fruit rots and ferments and turns to acid. The minute the fruit comes into contact with the food in the stomach and digestive juices, the entire mass of food begins to spoil. So please eat your fruits on an empty stomach or before your meals. You have heard people complaining. Every time I eat watermelon I burp, when I eat durian my stomach bloats up, when I eat a banana I feel like running to the toilet, etc. Actually all this will not arise if you eat the fruit on an empty stomach. The fruit mixes with the putrefying of other food and produces gas and hence you will bloat. Graying hair, balding, nervous outburst and dark circles under the eyes, all these will not happen if you take fruits on an empty stomach. There is no such thing as some fruits, like orange and lemon are acidic, because all fruits become alkaline in our body, according to Dr. Herbert Shelton who did research on this matter. If you have mastered the correct way of eating fruits, you have the secret of beauty, longevity, health, energy, happiness and normal weight. When you need to drink fruit juice, drink only fresh fruit juice, not from the cans, packs or bottles. But eating a whole fruit is better than drinking the juice. If you should drink the fresh fruit juice, drink it mouthful by mouthful slowly, because you must let it mix with your saliva before swallowing it. Here are some fruits that help to lose weight as they are high in fiber and nutrients. 1. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a cross between a pomelo and an orange and is commonly associated with dieting and weight loss. Half a grapefruit contains just 39 calories but provides 65% of the reference daily intake (RDI) for vitamin C. Red varieties also provide 28% of the RDI for vitamin A. What's more, grapefruit has a low glycemic index, GI, which means it releases sugar into your bloodstream more slowly. A low GI diet may aid weight loss and weight maintenance, though evidence is limited. 2. Kiwi fruit. Tiny but mighty. Very nutrient dense, kiwis are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin E, folate, and fiber, and have significant health benefits. Kiwis have a low GI, so while they do contain sugar, it is released more slowly, resulting in smaller blood sugar spikes. Furthermore, kiwis are rich in dietary fiber. One small peeled fruit, 69 grams, has over 2 grams of fiber, while the skin alone provides 1 extra gram of fiber. Diets high in fiber from fruits and vegetables have been shown to promote weight loss, increase fullness, and improve gut health. 3. Apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, with 116 calories and 5.4 grams of fiber per large fruit, 223 grams. They have also been found to support weight loss. Although an apple has a low vitamin C content, it has antioxidants and flavonoids which enhances the activity of vitamin C, thereby helping to lower the risks of colon cancer, heart attack and stroke. 4. Strawberry. Protective fruit. Strawberries have the highest total antioxidant power among major fruits and protect the body from cancer-causing, blood vessel clogging and free radicals. 5. Orange. Sweetest medicine. Taking 2 to 4 oranges a day may help keep colds away, lower cholesterol, prevent and dissolve kidney stones as well as lessens the risk of colon cancer. Oranges are 4 times more filling than a croissant and twice as filling as a muesli bar. Therefore, if you are trying to lose weight, it may be better to eat oranges rather than drink orange juice. The fruit can be eaten alone or added to your favorite salad or dessert. Therefore, if you are trying to lose weight, it may be better to eat oranges rather than drink orange juice. The fruit can be eaten alone or added to your favorite salad or dessert. 6. Watermelon. Coolest thirst quencher. Composed of 92% water, it is also packed with a giant dose of glutathione, which helps boost our immune system. They are also a key source of lycopene, the cancer-fighting oxidant. Other nutrients found in watermelon are vitamin C and potassium. 7. Guava. They are rich in fiber, have low glycemic index and prevent constipation. They also activate the metabolic rate which helps in weight loss. Papaya is rich in carotene, this is good for your eyes. 8. Passion fruit. One fruit, 18 grams, contains just 17 calories and is a rich source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, and potassium. For such a small fruit, passion fruit holds ample dietary fiber. In fact, 5 of them give 42% of the RDI for fewer than 100 calories. Fiber slows down your digestion, helping you feel fuller for longer and controlling your appetite and weight. 9. Banana. When trying to lose weight, some people avoid bananas due to their high sugar and calorie content. While bananas are more calorie dense than many other fruits, they are also more nutrient dense, supplying potassium, magnesium, manganese, fiber, numerous antioxidants, and vitamins A, B6, and C. Their low to medium GI may help control insulin levels and regulate weight, particularly for people who have diabetes. Avocados. 10. Avocados are a fatty, calorie-dense fruit grown in warm climates. Half an avocado, 100 grams, contains 160 calories, making it one of the most calorie-dense fruits. The same amount provides 25% of the RDI for vitamin K and 20% for folate. Despite their high calorie and fat content, avocados may promote weight loss. 11. Lemon. Getting enough water is crucial to any diet, and adding lemon to water makes it tastier, so you're bound to drink more of it. Per serving of lemon contains 61.5 calories, 19.8 grams carbs, 5.3 grams sugar, 2.3 grams protein, 0.6 grams fat, 4.2 grams sodium, 5.9 grams fiber. Thank you for watching. Do like and share with others and subscribe to my channel for more videos.